G'day, Dimitri speaking from Exercises.com.au. Today we're doing frog jumps. So it's a great exercise for those quads, for those glutes, for those leg muscles, all the stabilisers, our calves and our hammies do a lot of stabilising. Core needs to be engaged, mainly lower half, a little bit of lungs as well. If you keep going at a pace, you're going to get a really good cardiovascular workout as well as resistance and strength workout as well. So really good for explosive strength. You can wear a vest, there's a lot of variations. Most important part of the frog jump is to make sure that you're just flicking those heels right up towards your glutes. So I'm going to start with my hands down to balance myself. So all I'm going to do is come right down as far as I can with my glutes coming right down, and then as I jump forward, I'm just going to flick those feet up into my glutes like that. And I'm going to land in a position that's nice and low. So as I'm landing, I'm just coming straight down in that position again. So the other variation is to have your hands up behind your head, challenges your balance and stability a little bit more. Exactly the same thing, but just simply hands up behind your head, just engages core muscles a little bit more and just challenges your balance and stability. So our frog jumps for today. Search Exercises.com.au for more great exercises and videos, and I'll see you next time.